Welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a black Russian versus a white Russian. Alright, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so we're gonna start with the black Russian. Now for this cocktail we only need 2 ingredients to make it. You can get it easy and that. Alright, so for this we're gonna need vodka, I'm using Absolute today, and Kahlua. Alright, so I'm gonna start by adding ice into a rocks glass. One and a half ounce of Kahlua. And 1.5 ounces of vodka. And that's how you make a black Russian. Alright, let's give this a try. Alright, let's move to the next one. Alright, so for the white Russian, all we need is 3 ingredients, pretty similar to the other one. Now for this one, we're gonna need vodka, Kahlua, and cream or milk. Alright, so I'm gonna start by adding ice into a rocks glass. One ounce of Kahlua. Next, we're gonna add 1 ounce of vodka. And finally, 1.5 ounces of milk. And that's how you make the white Russian. Now if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. If you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!